Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the touchpad sensitivity and adjust gestures on HP Compaq 250. To do it, go to Settings. In Settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices and scroll down to Touchpad. Now you can see the cursor speed. You can adjust it by dragging it, but you can also instead go to Tabs and adjust the touchpad sensitivity here. Then to adjust the gestures, you can also reveal the tabs and you can enable or disable these gestures. For example, tap with a single finger to single click, so you can tap instead of clicking. Tap with two fingers to right click. Tap twice and drag to multi-select. Press the bottom right corner of the touchpad to right click. Then you can go to the other section, which is scroll and zoom. You can enable or disable the drag two fingers to scroll. Then you can also invert the scrolling directions if you need it. You can enable or disable pinch to zoom. Then you can go to three finger gestures and you can adjust them, you can test them, whatever, and learn them. So you can see I'm using them right now and it works. You can also adjust the four finger gestures. So for example, when I open a new desktop, I can swipe between them with four fingers, or open notification center with a tap of four fingers. You can always adjust these gestures to set it to anything else. For example, open search. Now it opens the search. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.